Yeah. What you doing, Corbin? Corbin? I got a little bit. Are you listening? Is Grandma talking? Grandma's speaking Cambodian. Yeah, it's very simple. It's not complicated. It's worth it, dude. Hey, got the money? It's worth it to invest. You get tons of money back. And the interest. Hey, ask Sam shit crazy in English.
You still can't carry. No. You can't. No, she's working. Don't matter. How much did you make?
Hey, look, next year.
Huh?
Bro.
You ain't qualified. You still can't.
Bro, next year. Next year. Hey, next year. Bro, next year, I'll let you play my kids. Because I'm not going to work on this this year.
Hey.
Your wife is working.
Yeah.
You're not claiming the kids. It's okay.
Well, you can say it. It's fine.
It's fine.
Enjoy. It's fine. It's okay. Gotta do taxes. Yeah, we get the...
He needs a snack.
Oh, you didn't take a nap yet?
He was about to fall asleep in the car, but I didn't want him to because I knew he would stay
It's gonna say, why is that? You're gonna sprinkle.
He's gonna what?
Sprinkle.
No, he's gonna what?
There's water.
I'll say. Just my
Oh.
We could see had quite a bit.
Wow.
It was like up to here.
You know, Corbin didn't eat much food, but she might eat the food, you know?
And Corbin, you actually had to touch his mouth with it before he would eat it. But look at her. When she sees it,
Yeah.
she might be done.
I love how she sticks her tongue out. How she licks her tongue. This is better right this way. Get it? Down, boy. Get down. Phoenix, get down. Hey, get down, Phoenix. Down. 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 Get down. Hi, Princess. Hi, Eden. Yeah, this is better like this from this angle.
What?
Eden.
This is how I get to stand.
I love how she licks her tongue and lips. Her face is flaring. You're supposed to chew it.
No, don't spit on me.
Oh, I gotta do your laundry. That's all. Yeah. You gotta do that.
I want to go home.
What?
I want to go home when she's done eating. Oh. That's so sad. You need to fight too? So Auntie, how you eat like a big girl?
See how she eats, Grandma?
Yes, messy eater.
Yeah.
What's your time?
Little dot, man. Little dot.
Just keep going.
Chew. Chew. Chew food. Mmm. Yeah, hold it. Don't hear it. Okay. Got some camera. Right there. Right there.
I'm not getting no carrots all over my clothes. that would have been on my shirt. Look at her. Are you practicing your princess lady? No. This is priceless. No. She got food in her up nose. It's okay.
Get it down, not up. Holy smokes. Yeah.
Wait it.
You do it. I'm gonna go.
Where are you going?
There's stuff in the car.
She's having a nice potato. I didn't care. Vegetables are good for you, dude. Carrots will make your eyes really strong.
Get it off, Mama. You get all dirty.
It's okay. You'll wash her up. I mean, you'll wash her up. Yeah?
Whatever. Is that good? Is that yummy? You got some.
Don't you run all over me.
Some blankets that close up on us to wash. Shoot that later. Shoot that.
No, but what was on it? What was in his tummy?
I don't know, just milk and rice.
This is good when you put out the milk. Did you wash the sippy cup out? I'll get sour milk. You don't keep it in the
I wash
fridge.
it all the time, dude. I was
You
washing.
don't keep it in the fridge though.
Before I put new milk on, I would wash it, rinse it out. Get it on, Mom. This is a long video.
She likes it, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough for now. That's half of it. I can't save it because of her. It's not good for her, but... Are you all done? You want to try your mum?
Get some clean nose up, Mom.